Another hair tutorial, another hair journey, another day in the week. Feel me? Day by day, week by week. I just put this in my hair and I just spray this in my hair. I put this in first, but we will be getting a new conditioner, leave-in conditioner. This is Curl Hydrate. Y'all saw the last video, if you new, it's Curl Hydrate. So right now I already put that on my head. Got 2 sponges. So I'm gonna start with this sponge. Rotate, I'm gonna make this kind of quick. Yeah, boy just got copyright for a reaction video. Ain't that something? That's some bullshit, man. It's all good. I'm spinning a lot, I'm gonna make it closer so y'all can see. Now you see how it's forming. Forming smallly. So now, no. Hair cream. It's actually good. Argent Magic, go get this. Go get this, for real, for real. Alright. So after I put this in, I'm gonna use a brush so I can make the twist smaller. I don't like having a big pull. I don't want no big freeform dry. I want my twist small. This is kind of a medium brush. I would advise a small brush, but let's do it for me. Next week, I'm gonna have new products and better products. And we'll see my hair just lock up more over time. Yeah, it's like the ugly stage, but you can still rock it out. It still look good, actually. Now it's done, I'm gonna use this one. This is like the softer sponge. This is like the harder sponge, but it's still good though. I like this one too, cause it got smaller holes. This is good too. Now you see how it's, yeah. Once it started to look like this, it started to work. This actually works, like no bullshit. There you go. Hold up. Use this one more time. Yeah, now you're good. Another day, another journey, tutorial. Lock up more. Oh, I will say, hold up, before we done with this. This part is gonna be kind of the hardest because like the softest side of the head, but it's alright. See how it's locking up? You're gonna see over time it starts to drop. So yeah. Catch y'all. See y'all next videos. I'm uploading way more today. Holla.